So let's get into the earth look. So this is a look inspired by, earthy tones, greens and browns. And the eyes, I'm going to use this green color from, kind of like this khaki green color from the 24K Nudes palette. And what I'd like to do is actually really make that khaki green pop. This is a trick that I like to do, is saturate my brush with a setting spray. And because this brush will be saturated in a bit of water, but the setting spray, it'll go a little bit more opaque than if you were to apply it with a sheer brush or also dry. So what I'm going to do is create my shape. And it's almost like a two-tone eyeliner where there's kind of a gap in between the two lines defining the eye. And because I have a monolid, I don't really have to worry about working the crease, but I do want to create my shape. And then just packing it on. So now that I have the green on the top part of my eye, I'm also going to create a shadow liner with the green under my lower lash line, and I'm going to create a tiny bit of a gap in between the top line and the bottom line. Just so there's a gap there. And I'll sharpen that with another liner to make those lines just really more defined and stronger. And let's say you didn't get the line in between quite as perfect. A Q-tip, pointed Q-tip, also dipped in eye makeup remover, can really work wonders, just creating a line like that in between and just cleaning up your edges. So now I'm going to use this kind of gold to kind of highlight my eyes. And I'm going to kind of brush it into the green and use it as my eyebrow highlight. So I just highlighted with the gold, and now I'm just going to place a little bit of that gold kind of in between that little gap. And also I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. And I think the look also calls for a bit of that gold shimmer as a highlight. So I'm going to use a fan brush and kind of bring that into my cheekbone highlight. See? Just at the other side, and now I'm going to really define my eye line with the bold brown Tattoo Studio gel liner. And again, this is just going to kind of like outline everything that I did. And I want to work along the lash line. And then what I'm going to do is just pull that out and define that line there. See? The same for the bottom. where I'm going to just define my eyes with a bit of the brown to make it a little more dramatic using small strokes, and then I'm going to bring that out to kind of define that gap. Okay, and then after the eyeliner is done, I'm just bringing that shadow kind of and brushing it into the eyeliner again. Okay, and then I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara. I'm going to use again the Colossal 36 Hour Mascara. Love this mascara. And the look calls for a kind of like darker lip line and then a lighter lipstick. So what I'm actually going to do is use the deep brown eye pencil as eyeliner. It's Halloween, so anything goes. Okay, now that my lips are lined with the chocolate brown liner, I'm going to fill it in with Lead the Way Super Stay Matte Ink Crayon. And I love this product because it's so easy to use. You can just kind of now I'm going to get a brush and kind of brush the two together so it's like not so stark of a contrast, even though the picture calls for it, but I'm going to just blend the two in together a little bit more. So just going to grow a little bit, just a little more precision. And kind of brushing that along where the Super Stay Matte Ink and the brown eyeliner hit, they kind of then naturally just kind of blend together. And it'll give you more of a gradation effect. So this is my finished earth look. I love how the greens and the golds and the brown kind of all tied in to look like it's really inspired by those kind of earth tones.